Imagine stepping into a kitchen that feels like the perfect blend of modern elegance and rustic warmth. A space where sleek lines and minimalist design meet the natural beauty of rich wood and earthy textures. Welcome to the world of modern rustic kitchens, where the best of both design styles come together to create a kitchen that's not only functional, but truly a joy to be in. In this video, we'll dive into the essence of modern rustic kitchens and explore why this fusion of styles has captured the hearts of homeowners around the world. If you're as passionate about design as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos on creating beautiful, livable spaces. Let's get started. The modern rustic kitchen is a design that strikes a unique balance between two seemingly opposite worlds. It has the clean, polished feel of modern design, where minimalism reigns and clutter is nowhere to be found. But just when you think it might become too clinical, too stark, the rustic elements step in, inviting you in with warmth, character, and texture. It's a style that effortlessly blends the old and the new. Picture a space where smooth, matte surfaces and stainless steel appliances contrast with the organic beauty of reclaimed wood beams or a rugged stone backsplash. It's this duality, this delicate dance between sleek and natural, that makes modern rustic kitchens so captivating. It feels timeless yet fresh, sophisticated yet grounded. Walking into a modern rustic kitchen, you feel a sense of peace. There's an openness to the space, created by the minimalist foundation, but it's not the cold emptiness of a purely modern kitchen. Instead, the rustic details fill the room with life, whether it's a worn wooden island that anchors the space or a set of hand-carved stools tucked beneath the counter. These elements add soul and personality, making the kitchen not just a place to cook, but a space where memories are made. Now, you might wonder, why does this style fit so perfectly in kitchens? It's simple. Kitchens are where function meets comfort. The modern aspect of this design ensures that every inch of the kitchen is practical, with sleek cabinets that hide away clutter, smooth countertops that are easy to clean, and a layout that maximizes efficiency. These elements are perfect for today's fast-paced lifestyle, making sure the kitchen works as hard as you do. But let's not forget that the kitchen is also where you want to feel at home. It's where meals are lovingly prepared, where friends gather, where mornings begin with a quiet cup of coffee. This is where the rustic elements shine. They soften the hard edges of modernity and create a space that feels cozy, warm, and inviting. The organic textures of wood, the tactile feel of natural stone, and the earthy tones in the decor make the kitchen a place where you want to linger, not just rush in and out. Imagine a modern rustic kitchen where the neutral color palette of soft whites, muted grays, and earthy browns creates a calming backdrop, allowing you to play with accents. Perhaps a vase of fresh wildflowers, a basket of seasonal produce, or a stack of hand-glazed ceramics. The simplicity of the modern design ensures that these details don't overwhelm the space, but instead enhance the overall atmosphere. One of the most beautiful aspects of modern rustic kitchens is their timeless appeal. Trends may come and go, but this style remains rooted in the principles of simplicity, natural beauty, and functionality. It's adaptable, allowing you to evolve the space over time without ever feeling outdated. You could easily add a touch of color with textiles, switch up hardware for a subtle refresh, or incorporate new decor elements to reflect your personal style. Modern rustic kitchens also have the ability to suit a variety of home settings. Whether you live in a bustling city apartment or a country home nestled in nature, this style can be tailored to fit. The natural materials, wood, stone, metal, ground the space in authenticity, while the sleek, clean lines of the modern design ensure that it always feels polished and sophisticated. It's a style that fits seamlessly into both urban and rural landscapes, offering the best of both worlds. In fact, modern rustic kitchens often become the focal point of the home. They're designed for both everyday functionality and weekend gatherings, where the heart of the home is truly on display. The island becomes a gathering spot for friends and family. The large farmhouse sink is a practical yet beautiful feature, and the blend of open shelving with closed cabinetry allows you to showcase what you love while keeping the essentials neatly tucked away. Imagine the light filtering into this space in the early morning, casting soft shadows on a reclaimed wood table, or the cozy glow of pendant lights over a sleek countertop in the evening as dinner is prepared. These kitchens are designed for living. They are spaces that embrace the imperfections of natural materials, where the patina on a wooden cutting board or the slight variation in a stone tile adds character and tells a story. When you think about the atmosphere created by a modern rustic kitchen, it's more than just a design choice. It's a way of living. It's about embracing the beauty of simplicity and the warmth of authenticity. It's about creating a space where you feel both productive and at ease, where the blend of modern efficiency and rustic charm brings out the best in your kitchen. If you've been inspired by the effortless elegance of modern rustic kitchens, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Let us know in the comments how you'd bring this stunning style into your home. And if you're new to visionary designs, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. We're always exploring new design trends and ideas to help you create a home that feels uniquely yours. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.